Hello, Christina Rizzo. Thanks for tuning into the video, and I hope you all are having a wonderful week this Wednesday. Hump week, hump day is what we usually call it, or middle of the work week. So, uh, my heart has been a bit, what do you call it, conflicted with these Supreme Court hearings with this new candidate nominee or a new nominee. As she's been saying some disturbing things, and with this administration, I'm not surprised. They had to pick a liberal besides the Juliana Michelle candidate that I was rooting for. She was the most conservative that we could have had. Um, and I'm glad Lindsey Graham drilled at her meaning this Katanja Jackson lady who couldn't determine what a woman was. So, and a lot of other disturbing things of diminishing sentences for criminals, excuse me, including pedophiles and uh, not answering questions about criminals as a whole. So I'm very concerned of where our country is going with this person when, because I'm pretty sure she'll be nominated uh, to serve in our judicial branch system. Also pray for Clarence Thomas because God forbid if something happens to him and he has to be replaced, they're going to pick another liberal Supreme Court candidate. So hopefully they keep it balanced with, I think it's 6-3 with conservatives and liberals. So just keep that in our prayers before I start this story. And the reason I started this, I mean, our freedom is being diminished by the minute. So the title of this video speaks for itself. Charlie Kirk has been suspended from Twitter. This is the second day now due to what he said about a reality of what a man is. Now, yesterday I mentioned a few examples of transgender people. The fake winter champion swimmer Leah Thompson. He was attractive. He was an attractive young man. I don't know why he went well, other than cheating. I mean, he made it worse on himself changing his gender. But anyway, but on Daily Wire, they finally got the picture of the admiral, the Navy admiral, that was awarded, granted 4 stars, knowing that she was actually born a woman, but we clearly this is a man. She's even wearing a woman's necktie, like a bow tie, cross shape type, but yet she's awarded general as a man. So I'm going to read what Charlie Kirk said. That stating that the biological man who identifies as a transgender woman was a man. Okay, he's wearing a mask, so you probably be pointless showing you the picture. Quote: "Truth is banned from Twitter," Kirk told the Daily Wire on Tuesday afternoon. They believe they are the arbiters of truth regarding society's most controversial topics. But how is it a controversial topic? Because unlike the Supreme Court nominee, she couldn't even tell what a woman was, and then the someone else asked her about where conception began. She said she didn't know. So I'm guessing she's answering the questions the way she is simply just to wave around it so she can be nominated, as a few other liberals have. I won't name names, but this has happened before in um, future topics. Just these are, they say one thing and then when they get in office they say another. Okay, so he adds, and then I'm gonna close because this is not very long. Okay, Rachel. Okay, this is the woman. Rachel Levine spent 54 years of his life as a man. This is probably what kicked him off. Kirk tweeted on March 15th. He had a wife and a family. He transitioned to being a woman in 2011. Joe Biden appointed Levine to be a four-star admiral, and now USA Today named Rachel Levine as Woman of the Year. Now, I don't know what will prompt this person, or maybe his last wife knew he was genderly confused, so that's probably why they got divorced in the first place. So you have this confused person decides to be a woman, pretty much similar to the Bruce Jenner situation. I don't think he was married, but somewhere along the way, I think they also had problems with their mothers. But unlike a person like Tucker Carlson, who they also suspended from Twitter, resolved those problems. Okay? But the way he reacted to it, he partied a lot. He shared this story on Megyn Kelly. And, he got married young and started a family. And he quit consuming alcohol at the age of, maybe 5 years ago, 10 years ago or so. So, there are ways to resolve these things without just, oh, that cat is distracting me. Whoever has is not taking care of it, but anyway. Whatever the problem is, apparently these people are not resolving or getting the right treatment or getting some bad counseling on how to handle things. Well, that's all I have this evening. Christina Rizzo, thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Also pray for our nation. Pray for our brothers and sisters in the persecuted church. Stand firm. Continue in prayer for the situation in Eastern Europe. Excuse me, I said Western last night. And stand firm according to Ephesians 6, putting on the full armor of God. I'll talk to you super soon.